Welcome back, Freedom Savers. This is a completely random stock portfolio where all stocks were picked at completely random. Anyways, we deposited $1,000 even. Our current value is $1,278.34 with 38 cents sitting in cash. So that puts us up by $278.34 or 27.83% since December 21st. Technically the first of the year. Yeah, pretty good, 27.83%. Dividend wise, we've earned $4.11, but we've been paid none this month. We've only been paid 38 cents overall. There's been no dividend changes. I lied. There has been a dividend change. FLIR changed theirs from 64 cents to 68 cents. So we'll go in here, go to FLIR. Make that 68 cents. We'll readjust this. Go to 215.19, 24.34. Break that up. Oop. Come over here. Equals that, which means that we have increased our yearly income by 9 cents a year. Anyways, since we did get that dividend change, then our yearly income from this portfolio did go up by 9 cents. Overall, the portfolio is making $24.34 a year or $2.03 a month, giving us an overall dividend return of 2.43%. Add that to my 27.83%, and we are pretty much at 30%. That is one hell of a gain. Well, yeah. 27.83% profit on a completely random stock portfolio is pretty amazing. Maybe I just got lucky. Maybe I just bought when the prices were low. Either way, pretty impressive so far. And yeah, that's the completely random portfolio. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Hope you're all doing good.
All right, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and if you liked the video, hit that like button for me. If you want to hear any specific type of information, anything that you're interested in, you have any questions, just drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know your opinions on this video or any other video I've made. And if you know anyone else that might be interested in this video, please be sure to share it on your social media and share the knowledge. Thanks, guys.